Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm up with the basic makeup tutorial and I'm using this Patanjali aloe vera gel as a primer. Since I have described basic makeup, so I'm going to use this basic product, which is Patanjali aloe vera gel and easily available at every home. And it gives almost similar result as well. Next, I'm going to use this Lakme 925 CC cream and going to mix it with the moisturizer. I'm using Lakme Sun Expert. You can use any moisturizer which you want to use. It just helps your CC cream to spread evenly so that white spots are not visible on your skin. I'm so sorry for dimming of the light. I'm using this beauty blender from Huda Beauty. You can obviously use your hands, but since I wanted to look professional, so I just used this beauty blender. Next, I'm going to use this compact from Lakme. I don't know what is wrong with the lighting because I didn't know at that time when I will come near to the camera, it will just start, dimming and then again lighting. So next time I'll try to improve the lighting. So my base is ready. Now I'm going to use this highlighter from Swiss Beauty. It has 5 shades. This is not at all pigmented. I have to use it again. As you can see, it is not even visible on the camera. So disappointed. Next, I'm going to take the thinnest brush and take the white one and highlight the inner corners of my eyes along with some area of my eyes. It is so pigmented. I love this shade. Also going to highlight my lower part of my eyebrows. I mean, it looks cool and elegant, so yeah. Next, I'm going to just highlight some parts just for the shine. Next, I'm going to use this matte lipstick from Huda Beauty. I like this shade. Take a drop of it and spread it with the help of my fingers, and I just can't help from the background music which is coming in my home. So sorry for it. And yeah, I think I'm pretty much done. So this is the final look. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe and comment on your opinions below. Thank you.